What's up everyone, my name is Anvay and today we are going to Gujarat. And well, as you can see, all my stuff is packed up right now. That's my new helmet. Anyway, I have to take all this stuff down, put it on my bike and head over to Sushant's place. That's where everyone is going to be meeting. So we're trying to leave by 2:30 AM or so. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we have reached Sushant's place here. Those are all our bikes parked in the back. And it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are about 6 people. We're just about to leave. Everyone's getting... That's Rohan. That is Saurabh. Rohit. Say hi. Vayu.
Vayu.
That is Sushant. 2 wheels only.
This is Sushant. Welcome to my channel 2 Wheels Only. It's 3 AM right now and we are headed to Gujarat. Anyway, with me I have Anvay, Vayu, Rohan and Saurabh Raichur. So, 2 baje.
Okay, thanks to Sushant for hooking me up with the shoes, the boots or whatever, for the intercom also. I should thank Aniruddha for that.
You're welcome.
Those are all the bikes. RC200, RC200, 150 Gixxer, RC200, Ninja 650 and इसको किसकी पड़ी है वैसे भी RR 310. That's Vayu's RR 310. Alright. Okay, so we are leaving now. What is the time? I have no idea what's the time. Vayu time का है? Okay, so it's 3:20. We are hoping to reach there before evening, before sunset. Vayu, with these shoes are very weird. And I'm not going to be recording until we reach Mumbai. We're just out of Pune and these guys are fueling up. We're planning to stop in Lonavala for chai. So I'll see you guys there.
Thank you.
Alright, so that was a quick chai break in Lonavala. Chalo. Thank you. So that break was supposed to be very short, chai break. It went on to be like about 45 minutes. I'm connected on the intercom to Vayu. Okay, let's go. No, wait, don't go. Hello. Alright, so I'll see you guys after we cross Mumbai or something. Let's go. So there's been an accident. Rohit crashed into the car. नितेश बोलो रोहित साइडला काय उभा आहे गाडी बरोबर बघितलं की ठोकलेलं आहे. लोकेशन पाठवले त्याला येतं.
हा 20च्या स्पीडने तो बोलतोय इथे येऊन ठोकतो तो तू विचार कर चुकी कोणाची तू सांग घरी येऊन ठोकलं तुला मारलं ऐकून घेत तू बोलतो ना इथं येऊन ठोकलं कोणाची चुकी तू सांग क्रॉस पूर्ण गाडी झाली त्याला जाणंच आहे तिकडनं ऐका काका बोला बोल तू कोण मित्र लागला नाही ना
त्याला टाकलं
लागला म्हणून
हायवे आहे
आपल्या बापाचा रस्ता आहे
नाही काका
काय नाही हे आम्ही दर रविवारी बघतो आम्ही समजलं काय.
Alright guys, so we have stopped. Rohit had a crash as you guys saw. These guys are just trying to fix the bike now. It's not too damaged, but yeah, let's see now if we'll continue or not. I'll just keep you guys updated on that. It's almost morning now, so the sun has risen and we are actually planning to cross Mumbai by this time, but also Rohit got out of that without a scratch. He T-boned a car somewhere around 100 kmph, so that's a very good thing. No one got hurt or anything, so yeah, that's good. Sunrise, daytime is here and Rohit's bike is fixed enough for it to go till Thane. So we'll leave the bike with APD Potato. We'll leave Romeo's bike in Thane. Romeo will be pillion on Sushant. Alright guys, so we are right now at APD Potato Society. Anyway, so we kept Rohit's bike here. Rohit is gonna go pillion with Sushant. Sushant's luggage is with me right now on my bike. Yeah, let's go. Bye. Okay, so Vayu's number plate वायु की नंबर प्लेट गिर गई चलते चलते, मिल गई, कूल, चलो। Alright, so we are stopping here for some time. We might eat or maybe drink something and then leave, then continue again. Oh. Hey, restaurant का नाम क्या है? होटल आदिति. So the roads are beautiful. Why your roads कैसे है बोल? Butter.
But sad ये नहीं चला सकते.
So Rohit had the crash. So. What's up? So anyway, we're gonna have some food here. We're all pretty tired, so I don't think we're gonna be stopping anywhere. Straight to
Same place where we're sitting got promoted to PDS.
Sushan, can you tell us about what we are eating?
This is called akuri.
Akuri. What is it like? What is it made
Edible
of?
food.
It is edible food. मुझे भी exactly पता नहीं है, but it's delicious.
Okay. So I still have to try it. So I'll let you guys know about it. More about 300 or so kilometers to go. We have to cross Vapi. We have to cross Surat. उसके आगे जाके कहीं पर. Those are our bikes parked over there. And that's where we were sitting. And that's Raichur. So I will be leaving now. We'll try not to stop anywhere this time and reach there on time before sunset. We're trying to reach there before sunset. So let's see if it happens. Alright, let's leave. Okay, so my fuel has gone to 0 right now. First thing I have to do is refuel. Sushant is also almost getting done with his fuel. Alright, so we found a petrol pump finally and मेरी बाइक तो पूरी 0 पे है अभी. I think इसके बाद I can directly reach. Might have to fill up petrol once again. Let's see, somewhere around 300 kilometers to go. So I guess it should do it. Full करे थे. Yeah. ये रोड क्या है? ये कैसा टोल प्लाजा है ये? क्या सुंदर रोड है, इतना मजा आ रहा है चलाने को, मतलब क्या बताऊं मैं. और ये पता नहीं कौन सा टोल प्लाजा है. वी आर समवेयर नियर वापी. I don't know how you pronounce it. Let's keep going. Alright guys, so we are entering Gujarat right now. This is the Gujarat border. Welcome to Gujarat.
अरे रोहनला घेत होतो मी आउटर लाईनला. थर्ड लेन पासून फर्स्ट लेन टाकायचं होतं. बोलला हळू घ्या मी ब्रेक मारला तू गेला.
अरे मग मध्ये ट्रक होता आणि हात चालला असं बाहेर चालला वाटतं.
वाढवत होतो. थांब.
Alright, so we are taking a very quick break. It is not needed. ध्यान से देखे इस चेहरे को. यही वो बंदा था जो कुछ देर पहले. How is the experience so far?
Rasta is very good. पिलियन को लिया है इसलिए जरा कंधे दुख रहे हैं.
पिलियन को क्यों लिया वैसे?
पिलियन को पूछ.
Rohit, how does it feel to be a We are at this toll naga. It's called the Boreas toll naga or something. I'm not sure. We are about 2.5 hours away from our hotel. So I don't think we're going to stop. We're going to be stopping directly at the hotel. सब पड़े हुए, थके हुए. My whole hair is like completely wet and I'm like sweating. But yeah, it's been fun. Ride has been fun. I've been on the intercom with Vayu, so yeah, that has been fun as well. Anyway, I'll see you guys when we reach the hotel. Okay, so Vayu is riding the Ninja 650 of Sushant and I'm sitting pillion with him and Sushant is riding my bike, which is the RC200. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, another quick fuel stop and we'll be on our way to it. We're actually going directly to the Statue of Unity and from there we'll be going to the hotel. So let's go. We just took a right turn from NH48. Now we have to continue for 60 kilometers on NH8. The last few kilometers are always the hardest. This is actually making it even harder. Oh, especially when you're on an RC. Finally, Hotel Narmada. Yeah, it doesn't actually look as good as it looked in the pictures. Ah, finally. Huh?
It could have been better with 6 bikes, but you know.
So this is where we live for tonight.
So finally, after 13 hours of riding. Guys, how do you feel, guys?
Finally, finally, we have done it. Group up.
720 or 60 FPS.
Guys, so we are in the room now and yeah, we just fast forwarded everything. Anyway, so we came here, we kept our stuff down. That is Sushant. He's all cuddled up there, so yeah, you don't need to get up, bro. We went down, we ate some stuff, we clicked a lot of pictures and now we're back here. Almost everyone's gone to sleep. Today was a very long day, I would say, because we actually faced a lot of hurdles in the ride, especially with Rohit's crash and everything. But anyway, we pulled through and we reached here by sunset, but we were too tired, so we didn't go see the Statue of Unity during sunset.
Anyway,
So tomorrow the plan is to go see the Statue of Unity and then head to Nashik from there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please hit the like button. That would really help me out a lot. And yeah, that's Sushant, that's 2 wheels only. So he's gonna be making a video of it too, so go check his channel out.
Hi, guys.
Or don't, I don't care.